Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use CSS Grid and Webflow at 2026. So at first you will need to open the Webflow designer, and to do that you will need to go with the dashboard and just locate the website that you want to work on and then click on open in Webflow. So that's where you will be forwarded into the Webflow designer. So here, all you need to do is to go and click on that plus button or icon that's located on the left side bar. It's add elements, okay? And then just drag a div block or a container into the page. So, for example, we'll go with a container, but before drag a section, for example, put it just right here, and then go again, drag a container and put it inside that, okay? Even you can get a div block, so just use search elements and type right there div block, and you can add it inside the container as well. And then just click on that div block and go with style or the menu that's located on the left side or the right side of the page. That's one. And on the layout section, go to the display and click on grid. Okay, so as you can see right here, grid lets you place items within rows and columns. Okay, and it's very good for the complex layouts. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.